Hello viewer, welcome to my YouTube channel Software Testing. Today I'll show you how you can capture any application title and thereafter you can verify using JUnit assertion. In order to do that, I'll use application which is rahulshettyacademy.com/automation practice. This application title is practice page. You see over here top left corner, this is the title. We'll capture this title and thereafter we'll verify using JUnit assertion. So in order to do that, first we need to open Eclipse, then we need to create our class. So those who are very new in Eclipse as well as Selenium testing, so if you want to know how to set up Selenium in Eclipse, I have a separate video for that. I'll put that link in the description box. You can watch from there. So here already project package created. Here is my package. Right click in the package, then new, thereafter JUnit test case. So here you need to write your test case name. So my name is assert example. You can put any name based on your project, then click finish. Here we need to write our code. So first thing we need to do, we'll use Gecko driver, I mean Firefox browser. That's why we need to system.set properties for Gecko driver. So system.set property. You see over here, this is a key value pair. Key is the WebDriver dot Gecko dot driver. Value is the where your Gecko driver is located. You need to enter the path over here. I have copied that path in a notepad file. Let me copy from here. Copy and then paste it over here. So here is my Gecko driver path. Then we need to do WebDriver driver equal to new Firefox driver. Here you will see the red mark. Just it is pack. You need to import the package. So mouse over here, import WebDriver. Thereafter you need to import Firefox. So then we need to do driver dot manage dot window dot maximize. So after opening your browser, you need to maximize the browser so that you can see your application fully. This is the purpose. Thereafter, driver.get, we need to open the application. So our application URL is over here. Copy that application URL, paste it over here. So it will open the application. Thereafter, we need little bit wait time so that application load properly. Red.sleep. So let's say 5000 millisecond will wait. You see red mark, mouse over, add throws declaration or try catch method. We'll take add throws declaration. Thereafter, we will capture the title. Driver.get title. Driver.get, you see title over here. It will capture the title. So in order to print the title, so we need to use string title equal to driver.get title. Then we can print the console message syso control spacebar system out.println. So captured title is, then concatenate with that variable title. It will print your captured title. Now we need to do assertion. ASSERTION assertion dot assert equals we will take this one, character, expected and actual. This one, expected, what we are expecting, there's the title is practice page, and actual whatever we are capturing, this is the title that we are. If this is true, this is not failed, then we need to add another console message, SYSO system out.println title as expected. That means if this is passed, assertion is passed, then it will print this message. Thereafter, we can quit the application. Okay. So save it, then right click, run as JUnit test. You see it is running. Browser opens. It will maximize the browser. So it is navigated to the rahulshettyacademy.com. It will wait 5 seconds, capture the title, then it will verify, then it will close. Let's see. It is closed, and last message it is printed. That means the assertion is valid. This verification is perfect. Practice space capture. Also, we can verify over here JUnit. You see, there is no failure. It is green mark. It is passed. Now we can do a try for negative testing. Let me do our expected is practice space. It is together. Just a simple one space I deleted and title. Now you will see that driver, your test will not go to this message printed and driver.quit. That means your browser will not, application will not close. That means here you will see the failure. So let me run it, save it, and also run as JUnit test. Let's see how it goes. So it is running as usual, browser open. It will maximize the browser and it will wait 5 seconds. Then this browser and the application will not close and test will be failed because our practice page, it is not accurate whatever we are expecting. The captured one is different. Intentionally we did it for negative testing. So let's see. You see the last message was not printed, and if I go to the JUnit, it is failed. The fail is practice page. You see whatever we did, but it was not correct. That's why it is failed. That means our positive and negative both testing is passed. And assertion basically is a verification. You can verify anything on your application. So in order to do the correct testing, you need to verify a lot of things during your testing. It is not only the title. So in this way, you can verify anything with the JUnit assertion. I believe those who are new in Selenium automation testing using Java, as well as verification for JUnit testing, this video will be very helpful for themselves. If you think this is helpful, please like my video, subscribe my channel, and share it to others. Also, if you have any question, please make a comment. I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you for watching this video.